Respectable audience, 5 and 5 are canceled. So our answer will be 25 divided by 1, which is equal to 25. But remember that it is not correct because we have not followed the order of operation. Now we will solve it again according to PEMDAS rule. So according to this rule, parentheses should be solved first, then exponent, then multiplication and division. Both multiplication and division have same priority, but according to this rule, we have to move from left to right, okay? Because there is division and multiplication, and division is at left and multiplication is at right. So first of all, we have to handle this division. So 25 divided by 5 will be solved. First, we will get 5. 5's 1 over 5. Okay, now 5 and 1 over 5 are reciprocal to each other. They are multiplicative inverse, so they are canceled. And we will get 1 times 1, which will be equal to 1. And 1 will be our answer. So option B is correct, and option E is not correct because 5 and these 5 are not directly canceled according to order of operation. So option B is correct. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel.